Hi and welcome to this video. Please do me a favor, if you like it, please subscribe and press like. I'm going to demonstrate it to you as well, but I've written down here a simple instruction that you can all have, showing you how exactly to sideload Ki2 onto your Hammerhead Karoo 2. I'll just explain to you first, this is the third time I'm doing it. I did it about 2.5 years ago when I first got it. Well, actually, no, 6 months after I first got it, because it was working when I got it. And then all of a sudden, like two little kids, Shimano and SRAM quarreled. So I had to install Ki2. God, there were so many different ways of doing it. I think DC Rainmaker, he had a good one on. But he is a very techie guy, and he was explaining it as if he was explaining it to another very techie guy, which I was not, you know. So I decided to do it myself, and eventually, after a lot of frustration and hair pulling, and then even after doing it, I wasn't sure what I'd done. So it was done, it was fine, it'll be fine now. Then about a year and a half later, I had to factory reset my Hammerhead Karoo 2. Which I think this will work on the 3 as well, but I haven't tried it yet. I had to reset it, so I had to do it again. So this time I thought, I'm going to write myself an instruction as I go ahead. And it took me hours to get there. I wrote the instruction, fantastic, it worked. Great for a few years, well, for a year, I think. And what happened then, suddenly I changed from an 11-speed Di2 to a 12-speed Di2. Now on 11-speed Di2, the transmitter, like a little Bluetooth WAY111 or something it's called, is underneath the handlebars, directly underneath the head unit. No problem at all, everything's working fine. But in the 12-speed Di2, the transmitter is in the rear derailleur. And for some reason, it just will not come through my body. It's like my body's in the way. As soon as I get off the bike, it works. But when I'm in the way, it doesn't work. I've tried it by taking it off, having the Karoo against my belly, putting my back sitting on the floor with my back against the derailleur, and it will not work. Once I move my body, it works. So this is not making sense. I thought to myself, my mate's got the same one, but he's connected to the SRAM, and his is working. So he's not using the Ki2. He's using the SRAM's main thing inside. I don't know what that means, but so I thought to myself, right, that's it. It's a good excuse to buy something else. So I bought myself a Wahoo Roan 3. It's a fantastic little unit. Battery's amazing only compared to this. But do you know what? I miss this. I think I'll sell the Wahoo and go back to this if this works. So, yeah, that's why I'm doing it today for the third time. I've been at it now for 5 hours. But that's like getting it to work, rewriting the instructions perfectly, and making this video. So I've written the instructions. You've seen them there. You can have them. They'll be in the description or wherever. I'll try and there'll be a link there to download them from, I don't know, from a Google page or whatever. If you want it on a Word document in front of you with the pictures, you can do it that way. But I'm going to take you through how to do it now anyway, yeah? Okay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is, on the head unit itself, you need to go to About, go to Settings, then go to About, and then inside About, you need to click on Build Number 8 times. Look what happens when you click on it 8 times. It'll tell you you're now a developer. Now what you need to remember here now is, go back one, press that arrow in the bottom, go back one, go into developer mode, which is there now. It wasn't there before because you just made it come there, yeah? And then go into there and have a look if USB debugging is ticked. If it's not, tick it. Okay, after you've ticked that, go to my computer or this PC, double click on your hard drive. If I'm too fast, you can pause it, okay? Right click anywhere, new folder, call it MOR, press enter, open it. I've done that a little bit backward to what it was in the instructions, but you'll follow the instructions, you'll see what I mean. Then you need to go down to here. You need to open, click on that, or copy and paste it into your browser, or write it, but I don't recommend writing it. So click on that. You need to download the ADB files now. So that'll take you to the website you need to go. You're down there. I can only tell you how to do it for Windows. I can't tell you for Mac or Linux. So click on Tools for Windows. Yeah, whatever, we agree with everything. Right, click on that. And then download. And you'll see at the top there it's downloading. As soon as that says it's downloaded, yep, it's there. So go to Files. Go to Downloads. There it is. Copy it. But don't do anything with it yet. Okay, on the instructions it tells you now to go in here and to open a more file, but we already have. So now we're going to paste it into there. We're going to right click it, extract all. We're going to get rid of everything apart from that. Extract. There we go. We can now delete the zip file. Gone. Open the file you just unzipped, copy everything, highlight, copy, go back one, paste everything in there, get rid of that now. You don't need it anymore. Now you go back to the instructions, go a bit further down, and I'll give you another link. You're now downloading the Ki2 file itself off a guy called Valtrek, as you can see there. This guy's done all this for free. He's not getting any money for this. There is a place somewhere here which you can click and do a little donation if you want. I think I have. It says buy me a coffee, and I did. So there you have it. So go down there. You see there's all these different versions here. If you ever wanted an older version, but here's version 14. You need to click on Ki2 Release APK. Click on it and you'll see again up here that it's downloading. Just let it download, then go back to your download folder, copy it, go back to your more folder. More is my initials, by the way. You can call it whatever you like, but this is what I've called it. It'll be easy for you to call it the same, to be honest with you. And then you need to right click here, paste it into there. So now we got everything in there. Now, click somewhere here after the MOR, just once. Don't delete what it says there, just type in CMD, press enter. It'll bring up now a command window. Now when you want to type something into that command window, you need to go back to the Word document. And you need to go down here now. It'll tell you what you need to copy into it. I've written it here so you can actually just copy it. You don't write. You need to copy that. Doesn't want to be copied. I'll do it this way. Then go back to your command window and just paste it into there. But before you press enter, plug in your Hammerhead Karoo 2 to your laptop. Now press enter. You can see it's found my Karoo 2. Okay. Now what you need to do is you need to go back to the instructions. I need to copy something else now. This one here. Make sure you leave those marks in. It explains to you on it anyway. Don't do it without what you call an exclamation mark. So I don't know. Right. So copy that. Go to your command again. Paste that in there, press enter, and just wait. It'll be about 30 to 40 seconds. Almost there. I'm not going to pause it so you can see how quick it comes. That's actually installing Ki2. And there you go, success. And that's done in what? Less than 2 minutes. And it's taken me probably 5 hours this morning to work it all out. I hope this will help you guys. If it does, please leave a like and please subscribe. So maybe I can make some more videos like this, because if things frustrate me, they probably frustrate others. So I thought I'd show you. So now if we go now to back here, back to downloads, and let me just show you what it looks like now. That should show you now. Oh, I need to get rid of that one. Sorry, that was the first video. Here it is. I have done this earlier, that's how I've got videos here to show you, okay? Click on that 3 times, or click on that and you can see Ki2's there. Guys, I hope it works for you. Any questions you have, just please ask me in the comments and I'll try my very best to answer. Thank you.